Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable your two-factor authentication. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to enable your two-factor authentication, you need to simply navigate to the privacy and security in your apps or website. First of all, you need to select the app where you want a two-factor authentication for. So you can simply go in any of the app you want to secure. Once you have been there, you need to simply go and tap on your accounts. Then you can simply tap on password and security. Now here you can find an option called two-factor authentication. Simply tap on it and then you can select the account you want to activate your two-factor authentication. Once you have done this, you can simply follow the on-screen prompts that are given on your screen. Then you will be able to enable your two-factor authentication. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.